For years, a mural of Turner's The Fighting Temeraire adorned the sea wall at Minster on the Isle of Sheppey. But now it is being replaced by mermaids, an octopus, an RNLI lifeboat, the bomb ship SS Richard Montgomery's masts, before they are taken down, Sheppey wildlife and the local legend of Grey Dolphin. The transformation is being undertaken by artist Julie Bradshaw and her daughter Anna Piles.
So Julie, we're at the Lees. What have you been doing here?
We're creating a large mural, and the idea is to make people smile and be, and enhance the area. And so obviously we were commissioned by Minster Parish Council and submitted some ideas and talked about ideas all together. And then we're creating this mural, which is sort of slightly historic and also just fun beach things, because we've got a lovely beach here at Minster.
So what can we see in the mural?
Well, we have an octopus and a mermaid, and then obviously we've got the de Sherland, which is obviously very much linked to local history. He swam out to the king, I believe, and so look him up because it's very interesting, and his tomb is at Minster Abbey, I believe, isn't it? So we've got him, lots of wildlife, birds, seagulls, cormorants, plovers, and a lapwing, because lapwing's quite, with the island. So we've treasure chest, just trying to think now. Oh, seal, we have a seal.
I was going to say, I see you've got Sammy the seal there.
Yes, yeah, because we've got a lovely, I think the colony was about 62 last I heard. That live around the island and very often pop up in the water, one near the beaches, and quite shy, but they'll pop up fairly close, and you have a look. So yes, the seal had to go in.
And you've got the lifeboat and a Thames sailing barge.
Yes, yeah, because obviously we wanted to pay homage to the lifeboat because those guys and girls are just amazing, and we wanted that to go in to reflect, because very often we see them out there in all weathers, it's not just fair saving people, so we wanted them in that, most definitely. We've got the forts as well, the red forts out at sea.
So you've been here for about a week now. What's the reaction been from the public?
Amazing. Like, so many people have been very kind to us in this heat. They've been turning up with nice cold drinks and ice creams, and just spending time with us, chatting about how they love it, and we talk to them, and people going by in their cars have been bibbing and holding up their thumbs and saying love it. It's really heartening. It's made Anna and I very happy. We're really pleased with the response.
What was here before?
I believe there was a mural done by Richard Jeffries, which was really lovely. It was the floating Temeraire, which was a Turner. So he painted that. But obviously, as time went on, it wore away, and so it was time for something new, as murals do. We know that has a lifespan, and then something else has to go up. So yeah.
I noticed you've brought your painter-mobile, I think that's what you call it.
Yeah, my camper van.
So has that been useful?
Very, yeah. We've been able to actually have a cup of tea, coffee, sit in the shade while we have lunch, and I have a loo. So there's, that would have been quite a challenge getting up to the toilets at the top. So we've got a loo, which is great, and yeah. So it has been useful. We've got a shade that comes out, and very useful.
So with the heat, has that been a problem?
Oh yeah, it has been. It is quite challenging, because it's not just the heat itself. It's like when the sun comes round and glares on the artwork, you sometimes have a job to see where you're working, because it bleeds it out. So that's been quite challenging. But we've got some umbrellas and things, and we've been putting them up. And but the heat alone, yeah, I've been drinking gallons of water.
So what have you got to do? What have you got to do next?
Well, we're finishing off with that. We've got to work on the sea now. There's some bunting going up, so we'll be doing the bunting. few more birds. We wanted a few more wildlife in there, and then just sort of just bringing it all together, you know, like you do with the shading and the light. So yeah, it's on the home stretch, so to speak.
Have you enjoyed yourself?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, Anna and I, my daughter, we actually do love creating art in environments with people, and it's just yeah, we go home smiling. I mean, obviously we get a bit worried with making sure it all looks right, and sometimes we're fiddling about with it, but on the whole, we're really happy. Yeah, we enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.